everyone, today I'm going to be creating some Valentine's DIYs with a twist. So welcome to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. So happy new year. I'm excited for this new 2020. I have some news also to share with y'all. Today I'm going to be creating some Valentine's DIYs, and they do have a little twist to them because it's not your traditional red everywhere. So I wanted to create some DIYs that you could use year-round, not just for Valentine's. So if you want to see how I put these together, then please keep watching. Before that we get started, I'm just going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, please make sure that you click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. I also want to let you know that I know that I've been hearing that some subscribers are getting unsubscribed by YouTube. Could you please just verify that you are still subscribed to my channel? If you have to unclick it and click it again to be subscribed, please do so, just so that you can make sure that you get notifications every time that I upload a new video. Okay, so my exciting news is that I started a new Facebook group, and it's called Belinda's DIYs. I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description box. I know some of y'all have commented that you don't know where the description box is. So it's located really right where the title of this video is. If you click on the title, the drop down comes down, and that's where the description box is, and that's where I add all the links and things like that. So I just started this Facebook group, and I'm really excited because in this group we're able to share pictures and just ideas of crafts and DIYs. And we can also get to know each other in a more personal way. So please go and head on out to Belinda's DIYs Face group. Once again, I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. All right, so if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started with these unique DIYs. Are you ready? Let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm gonna be using 4 of these Dollar Tree picture frames. And these measure 3.1 by 3.75 inches. A white marker. I'll be using 2 of the round ones and also these 2 square ones. I'll also be using some scrapbook paper, and this is from the Target Dollar Spot. I'll be using this buffalo check print. Some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. And also from Dollar Tree, I'll be using these peel and stick poster stickers, and I'll be using the letters L, O, V, and E. Some spray paint by Rust-Oleum. This is the 2X Ultra Cover in the color Flat Black. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove the backings from these picture frames, and then after that I do that, I'm going to remove the little stand that it has on the back, and all I have to do is just pull on it and it comes right off. I will be keeping just the cardboard because I'll be using that. Next, I'm going to take these outside and spray paint all the 4 picture frames. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'll be using the picture frame cardboards, and I'll be tracing them onto the scrapbook paper. Once I have all of them traced out, I'll be cutting them. This is the back side of the cardboard, and I'll be placing my paper on the inside of the cardboard. And I'll be doing that by just adding just a couple of dots of hot glue on the corners and then applying the paper on top. Next, I'm going to be adding the letters to the center of each cardboard. And I'll be spelling out the word love. The next thing that I'm going to do is trace out the letters with my white marker. And I'll be doing that to all the letters. Okay, so now that the paint is dry, I'm going to be inserting now the cardboards onto the picture frames. The next thing that I'm going to do is attach some burlap ribbon, and I'm going to start by placing some hot glue on the back side of the first letter, which is the L, and then I'll continue adding the remainder of the frames. And then for added decoration, I'm going to add another piece of ribbon up at the top, and you can use this to hang your love wall decor. For the next DIY, I'll be using this Dollar Tree wall decor, some black acrylic paint, some heart-shaped doilies. I'll also be using these Dollar Tree succulents, and these were from last year. If you can't find these yet, I'll go ahead and link down in the description box where you can find them. A wood blend wreath, and these are from Dollar Tree, the Main Street Wall Creations. I'll be using this section from the wall sticker. It's hard to see on the video, but it does have a bit of glitter and it's kind of rough. So what I'm going to do is sand it off with my sanding block. The next thing that I'm going to do is cover the top part of the wall decor. It has like a piece of wood running across, and I don't want that painted, so I'm going to cover it up. Next, I'm going to be painting the front side with my black acrylic paint, and I'll be giving this 2 coats. The next thing that I did is I taped together 2 of the heart doilies. And then to reinforce the doilies together, I added some dots of hot glue. Next, I hot glued the doily to the center of the board. And then for the wall stickers, I cut out the section that I was going to use. And then I placed that section in the center of the heart. Next, I positioned the wreath where I want it to be, and then I hot glue it. Next, I'm going to start adding my succulents, and I did remove the stem, and now I'm just going to place it where I want it to be on the wreath. This is just an idea, adding the succulents here in the corner, but you can also add them all the way around the wreath. I think that that would also look really nice. For the last DIY, I'll be using 4 of these books and I'm going to be stacking them up this way. You can find some of these books at your local Dollar Tree. I'll also be using some Waverly chalk paint in the color white, and this heart-shaped cutout that I made myself, and some of this Valentine ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, some brown shipping paper that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and a white marker. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is cover all my books, and basically I'm gonna cover them just like when you were in school and you would use those book covers. So what I do is I make markings on the top and on the bottom and also on the sides as the book opens up. Then I'll be cutting about 2 inches away from the markings. Next, I'm going to fold down the line where I made my markings. Next, I'll place my book in the center and then I'll fold the sides in and then tape them down on each side. Okay, so now that I have all my books covered, I'm gonna turn them over where their spine is facing up. The next thing that I'm gonna do is wrap a piece of twine around them. What I want is for the books to be really nicely close together and not move. Okay, so now that I have all the books together, I'll be placing this heart on the spine of the books this way. And then I'm gonna trace around the heart using my white marker. Next, I'll be using my white paint to fill in the heart. And this is how the books look now. And then if you wanted to, you can separate the books and you have a separated heart. Next, I'm going to be adding some of this ribbon to the top and bottom book. And then lastly, I added a doily to the top book. Once I placed the heart down, I also added some small dots of glue around the heart. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless. And please don't forget to head out to Belinda's DIYs Face group. I'd love to get to know you. Bye.